Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you what to do if you've forgotten your lock screen password for your Redmi Note 15 5G. So actually, if you have forgotten your lock screen password for your device, but if you do have in your device any fingerprint, as you can see over here, or if you do have device unlock in this device, you can easily enter that. Of course, if you haven't resetted your device or locked it. So if you hadn't done it, you can actually, wait a moment, I need to enter my pattern. You can go easily to the settings and do a backup of the data, and then do a factory reset of the device. If you want to know how to do a backup, you can just check our channel. But if you don't have the access to your device, you need to just do a factory reset of it without having your data. Yes, you will lose our data, and we can't avoid it actually. And to do so, we have to at first power off our device by holding the power and volume up, and here going to the power off. Now once our device is powered off, you need to at first hold the power and volume up, and once you see here feel a vibration, you need to hold only the only the volume up button. You should see here, as you can see, the menu of the show me HyperOS recovery mode. Here click the volume up, down, and click this power button on wipe data. Here, wipe all data. Now we have all the data wiped, and you have to remember that this process is permanent, and you can't go backwards. You can just go forwards. After the wipe data process, you will see the setup screen, but the thing you have to remember is that you need to log into the same Google account that was logged in previously. Is because this is the Google FRP. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.